Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we draw lines in AutoCAD. To draw line in AutoCAD, what you have to do is you have to press a command is L enter. L enter. By pressing L enter, you can draw lines in any direction like this. You can draw lines, but as you can see, the lines are not in straight manner. As you can see, I cannot draw straight lines. To draw straight lines in AutoCAD, you have to do is you have to turn on the ortho mode. Ortho mode, as you can see here in bottom, here it is the ortho mode. Here you can click here. If I draw L enter, if I you now you can see now my lines are straight. Here you can see the lines are straight. Here I can draw straight lines. And if you want to uh, there is one shortcut also to on and off ortho mode, that is F8. If I press F8, I press L enter. Here now you can see now my lines are again like they can move in any direction. And if I again press F8, now ortho mode is on, and if I now I can draw straight lines like this. So this is the way you can draw lines in AutoCAD. I hope you find this video useful.